Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use virtual camera in OBS Studio. And here's how it's done. First, open OBS Studio. Set up your scene and sources. Click Start Virtual Camera, bottom right in OBS. Second, select OBS Virtual Camera in your app. Now choose OBS Virtual Camera as your webcam in any app. Google Meet. Open a meeting, click Settings, Video. Choose OBS Virtual Camera. Third, adjust OBS output for better quality. Go to Settings, Video in OBS. Set base canvas resolution to 1920 by 1080. Set output scale resolution to 1280 by 720 for better performance. Click Apply and OK. Fourth, stop virtual camera. When you are done, go back to OBS and click Stop Virtual Camera. And that is everything you need to know about how to use virtual camera in OBS. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.